What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And today we are doing the best and worst times to buy crypto in 2021. So, first off, can we just remember back a couple months, please, to the good old days? You know, when 58,000 seemed like, Bitcoin was a low price, and that, it had endless potential, and that, our laser eyes were focused to 100,000 and we saw it in sight. Remember those days, guys? Yeah, it wasn't too long ago. So this is going to be a video about the best and worst time to buy crypto in 2021. So let's get right into it, guys. We're going to take a trip down memory lane here and remember the good old days. Back there in February. And April wasn't too bad. March, but let's just get in here. First off, we'll start with Bitcoin. And this idea just came to me because I was thinking about a good title for, a video. Some of my videos do really well, and some of them kind of just are a stick in the mud. So I want to bring you guys some cool stuff here. Let's get into the history of Bitcoin this year. Oh, cool. We're up to 33,000. Guys, let's just look at Bitcoin here today. It is up to 33.7. Looks like we're at 34,400 and hit some resistance there. That kind of looks like the Tesla logo right there, guys. Look. Dude, tell me that's not the Tesla logo. Dude, that's Elon Musk signing $33,500 right there, guys. Look at that. That is proof, and Elon Musk bought it $33,500, right? And now look at this Tesla in the chart, dude. That's the Tesla sign right there. And then a breakout. You see that? That's Elon Musk putting his signature in the Bitcoin chart. You guys need to share this. You need to tell everybody about this. Because, it almost gives me goosebumps, man. That is crazy. Look at that. That's the T. That is the logo for Tesla right there. Look at the 28,800. Look at the daily chart. Tell me that's not the Tesla logo, guys. This is going to be in the thumbnail. Oh, man. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, but anyway, I just can't get over that. That is awesome. He's signing. He's basically, putting a permanent signature in the Bitcoin chart forever. That is going to be permanently ingrained in the Bitcoin chart. That is pretty cool looking, guys. All right, but let's go back. I wanted to show you the highs and lows of this year. That was a happy accident that we ran into that right there. So this wasn't very long ago, guys. We're talking April 12th. That's when we had our giant peak, and that's when we had our $64,000 Bitcoin. So those were the good days, right? We were confident that we were going to 100K. We thought these were just, little sharp corrections right here. And we would have been right. But we needed a steep correction. And that's why Elon Musk started that. And now you see him writing a signature in the charts. You know what I think his experiment was? When he says he was trying to sell $220-some million worth of Bitcoin to see if he could move the market. Well, I think he did move the market. He knows that with his tweets and with his lots of Bitcoin that he buys, that he and his friends can control the market, guys. That is what's happening. And that's why he just signed his logo in the daily chart. That is a signature for Tesla right there, guys. So he's letting us know that he has the power. He knows he has the power to do this. Okay? And I just can't believe how well Bitcoin is doing this year. And we were all on such a high. But not even that long ago, we were at $8,000, guys. Let's keep everything into perspective. If you keep the upwards trending slope line right there, then you can see that we are still going up. The cool thing about this chart right here is that looks like a bear paw to me. And we've been in a bear market lately ever since that paw has shown up. And I haven't heard anybody else say that. And it's looked a lot like a bear paw to me right there. You know? And now we're kind of in a bearish, bull market. So the price has gone down and everybody thinks it's going way, way down. Then Elon Musk signs Tesla in the charts right here. And then we get a breakout. So that is so cool to me, guys, the way that happened. And let me know what you think about that in the comments below. And you got to share this with people if you think that makes sense, because this is freaking awesome, guys. I can't get over that. You need to tell people about this. So let's make this video go viral, guys, with that. Let Elon Musk even see it. And $64,899 was our top price this year. I'm getting a lot of people just on this right now. So 34,000, we are up. Things are looking better for Bitcoin. But the whole other point of this video is, when is the best time to buy? So the best time to sell Bitcoin would have been right around here. If you wanted to sell part of your Bitcoin or take your profits. I don't ever recommend selling all of your Bitcoin just in case it really does go up a couple $100,000 or whatever. Or to 100,000 like it's, most likely going to this year. So this would have been one of the best times up here to sell, and that's what I actually did at 58,000. It did go up a little bit higher than that, but I'm fine. I'm happy with my $58,000 sale. I didn't get 58, but that's where I sold part of it at. You saw in a video before I did. And so this was a really good time to sell Bitcoin. And everybody was actually buying Bitcoin at that time too. And I actually made a couple of purchases over the $60,000 level. It wasn't a whole lot, but it did kind of suck. I thought we were seeing $100,000 Bitcoin coming. And so, I did decide to do that. But that's okay, you learn from your mistakes. And I believe in Bitcoin enough that I think that we are going to go above 60,000. And so those will in turn end up being profitable. But I would recommend not buying over $60,000. I always said, and I still say, anything under $50,000 is a good buy for Bitcoin. I know everybody is really bearish right now. I'm not. I was kind of getting there, but with the way things are going with Bitcoin and the breakout with the Tesla signature that we just saw, there is good things in the future. Maybe we're going to see the Elon Musk comes out saying that he bought more Bitcoin now because they're going to come out and say they found a way to do the 50% green mining. And then he's going to be like, okay, we're getting on board. We're taking Bitcoin again. And that's why maybe he strategically stopped taking Bitcoin so that he could use that news later on to further move the price of Bitcoin up. That makes sense, right? So he is a very strategic man and a very smart man to do that. So he realized that when the news came out, when he bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and he said that he could take Bitcoin as payment for Teslas, well, each one of those news pieces skyrocketed the price. And he realized that. And so him taking back Tesla being able to accept Bitcoin, he saw the price fall again. So he knows that he has that in his back pocket now. So if he bought a bunch of more Bitcoin when it just dropped to 28.8 right now and is going to come out later and say it, then, he just signed his name in the chart, Tesla. It's plain as day. And so I think he's going to come out and say that, they got more Bitcoin and they're coming out with the 50% green mining. They're going to come out saying that Tesla accepts Bitcoin again. And they might even mine Bitcoin in Tesla and create nodes again like they were starting to. And we progress with the $100,000 price. More people get on board. And, we just had a pause in the major technology shift of our generation. And it's happening, but these kind of things have to happen in stages, very slowly. And the coronavirus definitely springboarded this years ahead of where it would have been, and Bitcoin probably could have took a few more years to get to where we are now. But with a perfect storm of everything happening with the government printing money, the coronavirus, Bitcoin becoming a very good store of wealth, and there being power in the people that like Bitcoin, it's in a good place. So, getting to when it's a good time to buy. Well, right now, in the last week or two, while everybody was crying that there's a bear market coming and selling their Bitcoin at the bottom, what they really should have been doing is stacking up their coins while it's cheap. Because remember when we were over $50,000 like about 2 months ago, and it was really hard to buy Bitcoin because it was so expensive? Well, now's your chance to buy it for cheaper. And we were buying it over $50,000, so why are you guys so scared to buy at $30,000? When Tesla, remember his buy-in price is $33,500? I'm not worried as of yet. Unless the news comes out that he sells, you don't want to be holding when that happens. But if that news comes out, it wrecks it. That's not going to happen right now. He already basically told us that he's in it for the long term. So by him saying that they just need to make it 50% greener, that he will accept Bitcoin as payment for Tesla, and that they will, continue to run the nodes if that happens. Well, this is a perfect storm for a major price shift. And that's the kind of news that we're going to need to get over the $40,000 resistance, in my opinion. So you guys need to check this out, though. This pattern, I love it. And you can see it even right there. I mean, he ingrained it into the charts right here. That is definitely the Tesla logo, guys. And, yeah, just let me know what you guys want me to do videos on next. I'm not really blanking for ideas yet, but I don't really want to get to a point where I'm just reading you guys news story after news story. I don't want to get boring. And I want to start thinking of some funny stuff to do. So I need to be around some funny creatives. That's what I was thinking earlier. I have a very meticulous creativeness and a very straightforward kind of some people say dry sense of humor. Well, I have a dry sense of creativity, it seems. I really want to just explore the funny side of crypto, kind of like Girl Gone Crypto does, but not really like that, but just, the element of comedy with crypto. I like that, that's really cool. So shout out to Girl Gone Crypto. We are now past 100 subscribers, and we are going to have our contest live this Friday night, June 25th at 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. We will be going live. We're giving away $20 worth of cryptocurrency to 3 people who are subscribed to my YouTube channel and that they share one of my high viewed videos, which is one of a few of them. The Dogecoin, the Flare token, just anyone that has more views than the other ones. That'll be fine. If you mess up, that's okay. Just send me a link for where you posted it on social media so that I can check it, and then I'll put you on the list, and I will write back to you and say, you just made the list. And then you make the list, and I will have the live stream Friday night, and I will pick my winners. And if we have more than 50 viewers on the live stream, then I will also give away $10 extra, 5 to 2 people worth of Dogecoin or whatever you guys choose. The crypto, I don't do cash or anything like that, but I do crypto. If there's more than 50 viewers, then I will pick 2 people that were the most active in the last 3 days when this contest is going on, that have liked the most videos, that have shared the most videos, and that have commented on the most videos. And I will pick 2 of you that have done the most work, and I will award you with those 2 $5 ones. I'm not asking you to go through every single one of my videos and like them, but put some effort in, I'll see it. I'll see some extra comments going on there, and then, you know, you guys can earn extra rewards as we go on our road to 1,000 subscribers. We are on track. We're doing really well, and I couldn't have done it without you. I know I said that before, but I really thank you guys. You know, every time you smash that like button, it puts me in the algorithm even more, and then it's reaching more viewers, and then it's getting more people in here to enjoy the content, and I end up getting to 1,000 subscribers. I make better videos, and I come out with cool stuff like this. I hope you found this video as interesting as I did, and let me know what you think about the Tesla signature in the charts. I think this is a really cool thing, and if everybody shares it, then I think we can make it go viral. So, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye, and good Bitcoin. Bang!